Open iRecord software. Click on Create User. Click on Add button. Enter username. Enter password. Confirm the password. Then save. Click OK. Close this window. Now log in with your admin credential share. Select any member and click on Start Work. Now go to Tools and Utilities. Select User Member Right. You have choice to select member-wise, user-wise. Now select the user we have created in the beginning. Then click on Save. Close this window. Now again, go to Tools and Utilities. Select User Rights. Select user to whom you want to assign rights. Click OK. Select which menu rights you want to give from the list. Click on Save button. Close this window. Close the admin logged in. Open iRecord software again then. Now, log into software using that user's login ID and password. Now, only the members assigned to the user will be displayed. Click on Start Work. This way you can create other users also. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.